Close. It's quiet now, but it doesn't feel right.
I know. The hut looks worse than before.
We'll check inside, then move on.
All right.
You hear that?
It's all right. Just the wind. I'm right here.
Hold up.
What is it?
Thought I heard something.
We can't stop. Not if we're going to eat.
Yeah, let's keep moving.
Hear that?
Ned, get behind me!
Ben,
Hold on.
I can't.
I've got you. Breathe. Breathe.
It's tight. It's tight.
Stay still. Listen.
Don't be afraid. I am here.